My people, they say some women wey dey for Anambra don come outside come cry for general public, tell them that the Soludo and Asari Dokubo have brought tears into their communities, that those men wey dey for Anambra wey dey chase kidnappers are not buying innocent youth. No be small thing o, we go play you the video. But however, I will also play you the video when Soludo give this order and also plead that those people wey dey inside bush wey dey kidnap people make they come outside, say they go settle them and make sure say they rehabilitated them into the system. However, if they refuse to come outside o, e say they go collect for inside that bush. Na wetin they talk. Another one wey dey happen na be say for inside Yoruba land, they say that the Funanis don go all the whole bush surrender the Yoruba cities, that in order way to take it as the Allah wish them to take over the land. My people, we go play this video according to as I take talk am right now. As they watch, make sure say they share the video. But before we play this video, get one important question wey we wan ask the governors and the leaders in Southeast. What happened to Funanis in our land? What happens to Fulani in our bushes? And again, another thing wey I wan drop, keep for those who dey fight for freedom. Abeg, if you dey fight for freedom, concentrate on the freedom wey you dey fight on. Any the way you put your hand in bad thing in order way to use because of you have gun in your hand to collect wetin no belongs to you, that day is the downfall of that thing wey you dey fight for. You yourself wey carry gun wey wan collect something from another person wey suffer to get it, you go buy put for inside that matter. Now let us go and watch these videos. Not take my word personal, but see sense inside them. Watch the videos before we come back and continue.
Those in the bushes, those who want to make money quick, the criminals who no longer value hard work, and then the Anambra youths, we have decided that the 0.01% criminals, occasionally they will sneak out of the bushes and cause one mayhem or the other. That 0.01% can never define the rest of the 99.99% of us. A large percentage of our youth, 99.99%, are hardworking. They are honest people. They want to take their destiny in their own hands. They want to have a future for themselves. They only need our push. But all of us must bond together and fight that 0.01% because they are giving us a bad name. We are urging them, those of you in the bush who are carrying gun or whatever, again, come out from there and we will help to rehabilitate you. We've asked them for them to go and register in the Office of the Special Advisor Security and then also the Office of the Commissioner for Youth. If you come out and surrender, we will devise special 1U2 skills for you, train you and empower you and reintegrate you into society. But if you fail to come out from there, I can tell you with the Agone Chamber and Operation, we're coming after you. We are coming after you. And we don't hide in place. If you know anybody who is a member, in fact, if you know anybody who goes to the bush anywhere, tell us. We'll go and grab the person. If you know anybody who goes to any camp, they're the ones trying to bring bad name to these decent people here. Criminals and their supporters, these native dogs who confuse them. Of course, we've told them that I think they have to make a choice. And for us, we've chosen the path of enterprise, hard work, and integrity. For them, they choose now to be in the bush and come out to collect from those who have worked hard. Who said that won't work. Not in Anambra. They go find somewhere else.
Yeah, this is the people of Owerezikala, the women of Owerezikala. They are here crying for the death of the boys. Like Soludo and her boys have been already come and killed in Owerezikala. So look at these Owerezikala women.
Who are the people doing the kidnapping? Who are the people? They now refer to them as bandits. Who are the people carrying out the banditry?
Are they in our forest around here?
The entire Yoruba land is occupied by them.
As we are talking now?
As I'm talking to you.
General Togun?
Yes.
Are we on that threat in the southwest?
We are still there. The governor the other said that bandits were about 2 kilometers away from where he had his birthday. But that is the entire Ibarapa, the entire Okeogun, they are saturated.
Wait.
With these people.
They are in the forest. They are with guns.
Of course.
What do they want?
They have said it. That Allah has given them the land of Nigeria as their inheritance. That's why they were.
They are camped in the forest.
They are all over.
You just came from Shaki.
Yeah.
You came, but you still live in Shaki.
I live there.
So why are you still there if they are all over?
They can't come and attack me.
They are not coming out of the forest.
They are coming out and kidnapping people and taking ransom. The truth is that there's an invasion.
But we can stop them.
It is only government that can do it.
Tinubu should tell the military not to move in.
They are already moving.
In the southwest?
No, not in the southwest.
Because they are bombing them in the northwest.
Yes.
And the governor said they are now running to the southwest.
They are not running to that. They are already in the southwest. That's what I'm saying. They are already here.
Did you see them in the forest?
Come. When they kidnap, we are using hunters. They go in. They find that it's Fulani harassment.
The hunters will see them.
Yes.
And we cannot attack them.
The only thing was that we told those hunters they should be careful. If they kill, who's going to back them up?
It's so obvious that many youth today do not want to do work again. None of them want to learn hard work. None of them want to associate themselves with so many businesses. None of them want to do something meaningful and something genuine to get money, but rather they need a quick money because of the, without call it, the addicted of what Yahoo have caused into their life. Because when you press, you get money, and because of that, you do soft work. So if there is no opportunity for you again to press and get money, the next option is for them to look for who have it and pick up the person. So if you are into this kidnapping business in Igbo land, the Igbo land will swallow you. That is my prayer for you. If you are into this carrying our people, buying our people, that land must swallow you. That is my prayer for you people. So go and look for something out there. There's a lot of opportunities to make you billionaire than what you are doing today. My people, now so you build and now say I bring a caution. But more na share this video.